Coimbatore Junction generates 325 crore rupees in 2023-24, case made for separate division. Many proposals to build additional train maintenance facilities in Coimbatore pending with the Southern Railways. The earnings of Coimbatore Junction were next only to Chennai Central's 1,216 crore rupees and Chennai Egmore 564 crore rupees. Notably, Coimbatore Junction has generated more revenue than other divisions in the southern zone encompassing Tamil Nadu and Kerala. As per the criteria laid down by the Railway Reforms Committee, new zones divisions are set up keeping in view the workload, accessibility, geographic sprawls and other administrative operational requirements consistent with the needs of the economy and efficiency, and not on ethnic, linguistic and territorial considerations. There is a strong case for forming a divisional headquarters in Coimbatore since there are 3 railway divisions inside Coimbatore district which complicates the development process, J. Satish, Director, Congo Global Forum, pointed out. At present, the Southern Railway has 6 divisions: Chennai, Palakkad, Madurai, Salem, Thiruvananthapuram and Tiruchi. In the Mel line from Coimbatore to Dindigul, only the 15-km stretch from Kodana to Kinnathukadavu is in the Salem division. The 21-km track from Kinnathukadavu to Pollachi is in Palakkad division, and the rail line beyond Pollachi is in Madurai division. This should be reconstituted to Salem division immediately as recently done in the other parts of the country, Mr. Satish emphasized. Last month, the Ministry of Railways included the Dond-Manmad section under the Pune division. Effective from April 1, the 224 km stretch covering 24 stations, including Dond, Manmad, Ahmednagar and Shirdi, was shifted to Pune division from Solapur division. Train maintenance facilities that are vital for start of new train services are insufficient in Coimbatore in spite of contributing the third highest revenue year after year. Many proposals to build additional train maintenance facilities in Coimbatore are pending with the Southern Railways, Mr. Satish said. Overnight train services to Bengaluru, Thoothukudi, Rameshwaram, Sengotai and Madurai are yet to be restored. The demand for increasing frequency of direct trains from Coimbatore to Delhi, Jabalpur, Dhanbad and Tirunelveli should be considered. Introduction of new train services to Patna, Kolkata, Bilaspur and Chennai Egmore must also be implemented, he said. Rail enthusiasts, trade bodies, industry associations and railway users consultative committees are confident that if these issues are addressed in a fair and transparent manner, Coimbatore will generate a revenue of 600 crore rupees annually, thereby mutually benefiting both passengers and railways.